Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. How are you? A lot of people message me that what's the next target of Harmony coin and what's the best time to buy, sell or hold Harmony coin. So after that I collected some knowledge about Harmony coin. I do research on a Google, on a Twitter, and after that I have a decision that is why I decided to make a video for my subscriber, for my viewers. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe now, Abby's Tech channel, for more this kind of latest news and information about cryptocurrency markets and especially for Harmony coin. So please subscribe now friends. For the next target after Harmony coin, we have to check it out, the last 1 day price predictions. What's the price change goes in the last 1 day? As you can see here, the last 1 day price prediction chart on the screen, the change occurred in the Harmony coin in the last 1 day is about positive 8.03%, and the high price of the Harmony coin is about 0.1607 USD dollar. It's the high price of Harmony coin in the previous last 1 day friends. Now friends, if you look the chart of the Harmony coin, so there is a high explosion occur in the previous last 1 hour. Absolutely, I like this kind of explosion, a very big explosion occur in a Harmony coin. But if you look the current situation of the Harmony coin, the new pattern of the Harmony coin starts now. As you can see here at this time now friends, wait a minute, let's check it out, the chart of the Harmony coin. So friends, as you can see here, that is the target of the Harmony coin. Now it's the positions of the Harmony coin, as you can see here friends. So friends, if you look on the chart analysis of the graph, so at this time if they continues this kind of travel, so that's clear for all of you that the next target of the Harmony coin is to pump upward friends. If you, as you can see here now, the green candle represents the jumping of the Harmony coin. Now at this time Harmony coin starts jumping, so the jumping chart of the starts now at this point friends. As you can see here now, the graph analysis of the, as I show you in the start of this video, that there is a target of the Harmony coin, there is a borderline, and friends as you can see here, that is a downward upward line of the, as you can see here, in the pattern of the Harmony coin is this, jumps after jump, falls down, jumps after falls down, and now as you can see here, they are again ready for a jump friends. So that's kind of change occur in a Harmony coin. So on the basis of this kind of change, so if we look the Harmony coin price predictions, so that's clear for all of you that the next price prediction, the next prediction of the Harmony coin as to there is a high jump occur in a Harmony coin in the future friends. So it is clear for all of you now that if you are a holder of Harmony coin, so please hold your Harmony coin, because the next explosion and the next big jump occurs in the Harmony coin. So please hold your Harmony coin and make a good amount of profit. And if you want to buy a Harmony coin and make a good amount of profit, so please, it's absolutely a best time to buy Harmony coin friends. What's your opinion about Harmony coin? If you agree with me, so please like this video and kindly subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I really need your support. Kindly subscribe now.